Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the Kaizen Cutlery chef knife. You can get this product on Amazon and it costs between $40 and $90. Check out the link in the description. The chef knife comes in a magnetic gift box with a 2-stage knife sharpener and a finger guard. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality product. Sharpen the blade with a 2-stage sharpener is very easy. You just have to pass the knife through the coarse gray side first for about 3 to 5 times, then sharpen with the other ceramic side also for 3 to 5 times. The manufacturer recommends using wooden cutting boards because they are the most gentle surface for cutting. I don't feel very comfortable using the finger guard, so I decided to use the knife without it. Thanks to the ergonomic design, the handle feels comfortable in my hand and the knife is very sharp. I tested the chef knife for about a week and I think it's a very good product. It has exactly the right size and weight, it fits perfectly in my hand and it is very sharp. And it also comes with a full lifetime warranty. So if you're looking for a multi-purpose chef knife, which you can use to cut, chop, slice, dice and mince, I would recommend the Kaizen Cutlery chef knife. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.